welcome back to Cheers.
We have a favorites video for the month of
July. And as you can see, Chanel's gotten very toasted.
I'm back from my honeymoon in Cabo.
Yeah, so she'd be real dark right now.
Super dark.
But if you guys want to see what our favorites are for the month of July, then just keep watching.
Mine is like all stuff I used like on my honeymoon. So, and also like I just moved in, so I have like nothing at my house.
They got a new house. So.
Yeah. Like I have nothing, like literally not even minimal makeup, like
yeah, all the time.
All the time now. But it's kind of good. It's really like liberating.
I know, especially, well, I guess it's fine now that you have your lashes too.
That's true.
Right?
My lash extensions help a lot. If I didn't, I'd be like, whoa, I need to do something else. But my first favorite is nothing new, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. Browned.
That's you.
I am browned.
Dark brown.
Dark brown. And it's not the wide one, it's like the pencil kind.
The thin one.
Yeah. And I actually used my mom's, and that's why I got one for myself. Because I was like, oh, this, I understand why it's so expensive and why it's like the #1 brow pencil. It's so different.
Then like, is it that much different than ColourPop?
Yes.
Really? Why?
Like,
because you really like
I love
ColourPops.
the ColourPop one, but like, it's so good.
I mean, it's like darker.
Yeah, but I mean, you could get a darker one in ColourPop too, but something about the formula, and it wears longer.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, and I can attest to it because I went swimming a lot in Mexico, and I would like
wear
it and like come out with brows. Like, it wasn't perfect, but like, it was more there than if I wore like my Daiso one or the ColourPop one. Yeah, so I like it. It's long wearing.
But not waterproof.
Not waterproof, but it's
more
resistant. Say it's resistant, yeah.
Yeah.
But girl, it's expensive. It's like $25 for this. I'm pretty sure I've already used half of it too in like a week. Because I'd be getting them thick brows in.
I know, seriously.
But yeah, I mean, if you want to splurge on a brow pencil that's worth the quality, I recommend.
I'm gonna have to borrow that one day.
Yeah,
and
you
see
should.
If, and then
really
be like, guys, it wasn't worth it.
I don't know if it's worth the money, but it's definitely like higher quality.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, for sure. Maybe not like an everyday thing, but like a more special occasions.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which is what I did. I haven't used it since. I'm like, savor the pencil.
My favorite is this lipstick from Sephora that Chanel got each of the bridesmaids, and she picked out each color for a specific person.
Yes.
And the one that she got me is called Hot in Havana.
Havana
ooh la la. And I really like the packaging on here. It's like not heavy and it doesn't feel like luxury, but I like that it's like cardboard-ish.
Right, eco-friendly.
Yeah, so it's very eco-friendly. And did you smell these?
No.
They smell bomb.
Nah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, what the heck?
Yeah, I don't know about the other ones like that the other bridesmaids got, but this smells.
It smells
bomb.
like something.
Like it smells like candy.
No, it smells like something I know.
It smells like Mambas.
Oh my god!
Right?
The raspberry one.
So this Hot in Havana smells like Mamba.
The raspberry one. Specifically.
But I have it on my lips today. And Chanel got this for me because, you know, best friend knows best friend style. And I like my oranges and my bright colors, so she got this for me. And I always dig like an orange like look for the summertime. So this is what I have on my lips today. Very orangey. But I really, out of all the colors that I've tried, like I've tried a few from Innisfree and like Nature Republic, but I have to say this is my favorite shade of orange that I've gotten.
It's actually like a wearable orange. It's not like a...
And it's like a little bit more on the red side. It kind of reminds me of like what do you call it? A ruby grapefruit kind of ish. So it's still like orange tinted, but a little bit more towards pink. Yeah.
It looks really
So
good.
if you are into the orange tones, then Hot in Havana, ooh la la.
Okay, my next one is also something I used in Mexico like every single day because the sun be beaming down on you. But it's the Shishedo Ultimate Sun Protection Cream. And like, I just brought it, not really thinking much of it.
Where did you even get that?
I think I got it as a sample. Like,
from where though?
I want to say my grandma got it.
Okay,
and she was just like,
that makes sense.
You know, because when you buy stuff from Shishedo, they give you like,
exactly samples.
Yeah, so I was like,
Service?
I know, here. But like, I was like, okay, it says water resistant, and then it's SPF 50 plus. So I was like, okay, travel size, I'll just bring it. And like, this is perfect for a week, you know. And you don't need a lot, but it definitely like leaves a white cast. Like I noticed, especially like once I started getting some color on my skin, I was like, oh, my face be getting white. But I always, like, no matter what sunscreen I use, I get burnt here. Like to where if water touches my face, or like when I wash my face or put lotion on my face, it stings.
What?
Yeah, but I didn't get that with this. And I was literally outside like 12 hours a day.
Didn't you say that even the Innisfree one helped you with that though?
It did, but I haven't tested that one in water.
Oh, I see.
This one I like went
but
swimming. But
Innisfree's not water resistant or waterproof, so
I don't,
this is
yeah,
probably better.
this is probably better.
Yeah.
But like I went swimming, and like granted I didn't like put my face in as much as like my body was in the water, but like I only applied this once a day, like in the morning, and then I stopped. It says it's only water resistant for 80 minutes, but like I didn't get burned, and I was like for 7 days out for 12 hours a day in the sun, so and like swimming.
Not bad.
Not bad, because I always get burnt. These cheekbones be popping.
And sticking with my orange theme, I have been really liking my Etude House Play 101 stick, and it's also orange colored. It's just called the number 15.
Creative.
Yeah, but I also have it on my cheeks today if you kind of couldn't see the color there. Like, here's Physicians Formula per usual, but a little swatch of this. That's like the color. So it's like a peachy orange.
Dang, that's vibrant.
I really like the color though.
Pretty.
Do you see it? And you can even use this on your lips too. I've used that before, but I don't highly recommend that.
Is it kind of chalky?
Because it gets kind of chalky. But I'll just take like a bit of product onto the back of my sponge, like, and then I'll stamp it onto my face.
I think you can see it more in person than in camera.
Yeah, the camera's kind of washing me out right now.
But it's there. It's real cute.
Thanks.
And it matches your lips real perfectly.
Yeah, I've been into the monotone trend.
Yeah. The eyeshadow too.
Even the eyeshadow.
So nice. Makes everything easy. My last favorite is kind of random, but it came in a lot of use for my wedding and honeymoon, but it's the Pinch mini emergency kit, and I looked it up online. I'm pretty sure this is the Mermaid version. On pinchprovisions.com it's $19, but it comes with a lot of stuff. So there's deodorant pads, stain remover.
Pads? Can I see it?
So you can like wipe.
Low key, when I saw this in there, I thought it was condoms.
Actually, it's kind of wrapped up like that. But like floss.
Interesting.
Stain remover. It's like a Tide to go type of thing. Emergency tape. This we used
that was
like
so
crazy
useful
because like one of our bridesmaids' dresses ripped, and like we taped it and it worked fine. It looked like it was decent.
How it was meant to be.
Right. And then nail polish remover, ibuprofen, band-aids, a sewing kit, earring backs, extra earring backs
too. That's so useful.
Yeah, because they
and like the amount that's in here in this tiny thing.
Look,
and it's so cute.
The color and everything. Oh, and the glitter doesn't fall off that much.
Oh, that's good.
You know,
tampons, necessities,
hairspray. I used this a lot because you know when you eat Mexican food, your breath be kicking.
Oh,
their breath drops.
drops?
They're actually really strong.
Really? Can I try?
Yeah, try it. A nail file. Yeah, there you go.
Whoa.
Yeah. It feels like you brush your teeth.
One goes a long way.
And then I actually used this in Mexico because I was using the spray-on sunscreen, and your nails, it takes off the top coat, like on my toes.
Wow.
So I painted my toenails with this clear nail polish, and it was fine. And then the last one is a cute little chapstick that I used.
That's a chonky chapstick.
But I used it nonstop in Mexico because I was like, I don't have chapstick. And it smells like cherry. It's really good.
Oh, it smells like the cherry chapstick.
But like literally all of this came in so much candy. Every time I go traveling, I'm probably gonna bring this.
Yeah, seriously.
Because like, and like if you use it, then it's whatever, but at least you have it in a pinch.
Here's your nail file.
I get it. And a pinch. I know, I saw it.
That's cute.
It's been real helpful.
Yeah, seriously.
I
Also,
recommend.
my breath feels like Mount Everest right now.
I know. What the heck? Like these? Do they just sell these by itself?
Honestly.
It's so good.
Is it like a Listerine?
No, it's just peppermint oil and water.
Really? Why is it blue?
And blue dye.
Why they gotta put in the dye though?
To make it look a little fresh.
No.
A little freshy fresh.
I ain't about that. All right. Talking about minty freshness in Everest. Yeah. My next favorite is from SKIN&LAB, and if you guys have been following our channel, then you'll know that I actually did an in-depth review on this with Mama Lee, and so we'll link that here. But this is SKIN&LAB's Dr. Pore Tightening Glacial Clay Facial Mask. And this one I've been really liking for the summertime because lately the past few nights in Seattle have been real hot, guys. Like, ooh, it's steamy.
Honestly, like coming back from Mexico, like, cause everything's air conditioned inside. Yeah. Like coming here and it's like just as hot, just no AC. So you go inside and it's not even refreshing. Like you're just like, well, I guess I'll drink another bottle of water.
Yeah. I've been going for the Chardonnay, like the cold Chardonnay, because it's like refreshing. Yeah. But I've been really liking this because it just has like that mint aspect to it. Yeah, the coolness to it. So on nights where I'm just like, oh, I just need to cool down a little bit and want to treat my skin to a little bit of pampering, then this is what I go for. And it's not over drying like other clay masks, which I really appreciate because with a lot of Chardonnay also comes dry skin. So this has been very useful for like a mild like pore cleansing stuff.
Bomb. So those were our favorites for this month. We hope you enjoyed watching them.
Let us know what you have been enjoying as usual, and if you want us to try out any of either your faves or like things that you've been really wanting to try out too.
Yeah, like wondering about, because I feel like it's been a while since we've like gotten new stuff.
Yeah, well,
for me. It's been a while since I've tried anything.
Yeah. But yeah, so we'd love to see your comments down below, and as always,
cheers to
a good week. Bye guys.